Oh, yes, Captain Thomas. This setup, it's a violation of, we talk about cross-contamination. It's a violation on section 7.2.3.2.1 of the PSP 2025 Environmental Public Health Standard. We are talking about cross-contamination. Item number 18C, raw animal food, state here, very long one, raw animal food must always be stored below and away from cooked or ready-to-eat or RTE foods. This counts as a critical violation, and the value on the point is 3 points. The corrective action I want to put in the system, we're going to be reorganize the storage immediately, reinforce the separation rule, and retrain the staff. We are talking here about Salmonella.
And we have videos and quizzes on Salmonella and other pathogenic microbes to share on the app.